Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So you guys have saw the unboxing. Sorry that I didn't share my first impressions with you guys earlier. I directly used it for 5 days and now I'll share my complete review with you guys. So let's start it. First of all, as you guys know already that this is a pretty low budget IEM. You can get it in between 15 US dollar to 20 US dollar. And I am reviewing this type of cheap budget IEM after a very long time. I think it's almost 2 years. So it was a little hard experience to test this IEM, but I have made my points. Before going into the sound segment, I would like to share other things. It is a very lightweight IEM. It is made very well and it's beautiful also. Fit and comfort wise, it is 100% perfect. Now let's talk about its sound quality. Let me tell you at the beginning that you get performance based on the amount of money you pay. Sometimes the performance can be high and sometimes the expensive products also doesn't make an impactful performance. Here the sound is almost balanced, not fully balanced. It is a vocal based IM, even though the vocals are not completely natural. As far as music is concerned, based on technical performance, it will be satisfactory for the newbies, who are new to the hobby, but not for the audiophiles. The bass is present here, but it doesn't spread over entirely. It is a little congested but works fine in this price range. It is a hard bass, but it doesn't feel much. And the treble is 5.5 balanced, means it's almost on point, which is balanced. The 5 number is balanced. And lastly, of course, it doesn't have detail in it, which is understandable in this price range. And now it's time for my recommendation. I give this IM 3 stars out of 5, means this is a good IM. It has 100% good reviews online submitted by the customers and I agree with them. It's a casual, budget friendly but extremely budget friendly IM. It feels fine and satisfactory to use it. So I don't have any problems recommending this product. At the end you get what you pay for. If you want to buy it on AliExpress, then must use the discount codes in the description. You will get it more cheaper. The discount codes are valid for all the products on AliExpress in almost countries. So enjoy using them. Thank you.